Welcome back to another video. And this one is a uh, work in progress for a little project that I have going on. It's a short video, just giving you an idea what's going on and what I'm planning to do. So basically, I want to make a Chevy bow tie for my Camaro, and I want to be able to 3D print the black part and make the red part out of aluminum. So the first part was to get the original bow tie out. As you can see, it's just clips, and what we ended up doing was just popping it out with a flat screwdriver. And there you see one of the little supports broke, but all the clips are good, so actually we can put it back if we need to. That's the 3D printed one. The measurements were as good as I could get them, and then I made a hole to put a nut, I mean a bolt with a 3D printed bolt and a 3D printed image of the Punisher, as you can see. So it looks pretty cool on close up, but I don't like the finish. I don't like the plastic finish. I don't like how it feels. So the next part of the project is I'm going to create a mold so I can at least make the Punisher or the Exorcist or whatever emblem I'm going to put in front of my car out of aluminum. So there you have me melting aluminum. That's about 20, 30 aluminum cans that went into the foundry, and we melted. I melted, and please stay tuned. The next video will cover how to make where I'm making the mold out of plaster, pouring the molten aluminum and putting a bolt into it so I can actually screw it into the Chevy bow tie that I 3D printed. Hopefully it comes out cool, and I can paint it red and it'll look awesome. We'll see. So it's just a little hobby, little project. Hopefully gives you some ideas of what to do with your car, what to do with your 3D printer, or what to do with your foundry. Thanks for watching.